This 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultimate 3021 RBDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Dutchmen is 34 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, external shower, microwave, air conditioning, oven, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, smoke detector, TV, LP detector, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Dutchmen Kodiak Ultimate 3021 RBDS is 6,644 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.